On Lynn here with 7 Day Kitchens. We're in Davidson, North Carolina. This is a Kitchen Plus project, meaning we did a kitchen and some bathrooms in other areas of the house. What's specific about this kitchen though, is that it's not a full gut. So we're showing what we can do with leaving some existing cabinets and other things in place. So starting over here, what we've done is you'll see that we kept her cabinets. Her cabinets were fairly new. We changed the hardware and then updated with a modern trim. We, of course, updated with this beautiful quartzite countertop. This fridge was sitting out over in the small dining area, so we put it in here. She loves that, got it out of the space. We just kept the cabinetry, again, trimmed it out. We didn't do anything special here. This was all existing. We did update this. We put in a brand new door to her pantry. Upgrade the backsplash. And of course, this beautiful custom signature wood hood to really tie the whole area together. We come over here to this beautiful coffee area. This was just a furniture piece that we've moved, and this is all brand new cabinets. These are brand new from us, this charcoal gray. Of course, the same matching countertop and floating shelves. You'll see these cabinets and this hardware. If you come over here to our final piece, which is the piece de resistance, this incredible, beautiful quartzite island with a waterfall edge. Look at this, beautiful custom work. But what I wanted to point out was, you'll notice these cabinets here, these are refinished cabinets. So these were existing cabinets that she kept, and we refinished these to a factory finish, changed the hardware, and you cannot even, I was gonna say you can't even tell the difference between this brand new cabinet and an existing cabinet that's been refinished. I want to talk a little bit more about this beautiful countertop. Stephanie has just wonderful taste. She had her eye on another countertop. It happened to be gone when she went and looked at it, but then they happened to have this piece in another location in Florida, so they had it shipped up. What we've done, our fabricators have taken it and matched up the veining for this beautiful waterfall edge. We've kept a thickness. You'll see this. This is about almost 3 inches thick on each side. I want to show you a little trick too that we think is pretty cool. I've got my flashlight turned on here. If you see, you can see the light coming through the quartzite. They have purchased some lights that they're going to install, but we thought that that was a very cool feature. To tie in the quartzite countertops, she chose these beautiful copper pendant lighting. It gives off just the right amount of soft light onto these beautiful countertops. We did do a brand new workstation sink, new faucet, and we just reinstalled her existing dishwasher and her existing stove. So this is a very good example of a project that shows that if you have something existing, we can work with existing cabinetry. We can do refacing to make, as you see, a beautiful outcome. So if you're in a situation where you want an update on your kitchen, but you're not quite ready to do a full gut, give us a call and let's talk about your options.